Want to get started with Figma, the ultimate design tool? Follow this simple step-by-step guide to download and install Figma on your PC. Open your browser and search for Figma. From the search results, click on Downloads. On the Downloads page, scroll a little to see all the supported operating systems. Choose your OS and click to download the Figma setup. Once downloaded, install it on your PC. During setup, click on Login with Browser to proceed. On the next page, log in by continuing with Google. After that, open the desktop app. Enter your name, then click Continue. Select your work type and proceed. Figma will ask you what best describes your work. Choose the option that fits and set up your collaboration preferences. Invite collaborators if needed or skip this step. Complete all setup steps as prompted, following along with the video. Figma will now show you its plans. The starter plan is free with some limitations, perfect for beginners. You can upgrade later if needed. Select your plan and hit continue. And that's it. You've successfully downloaded and installed Figma for free. Start creating amazing designs today. Thanks for watching and happy designing.